2nd of July, and we're at Sparky and Layton's, and I'm down on their dock reviewing this magnificent waterfall. My goodness. We're going to have a crab feast up there shortly. My helpers.
Happy birthday, Sparky. Absolutely beautiful. Unbelievable. Yeah, that's great. We're going to get a lot of waterfall. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Wow, I just can't even imagine how she did all this.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah.
That's some of the civil engineering days in Bolivia or something, right?
Love it like this. Aren't they? Yeah. Yeah, that's good for concert right here.
It's a very quiet Saturday night on the lake so far. That won't last. That won't last long.
Where's the pump? I think it's over there. Oh yeah, I see the great pipe. Yeah. Okay. And you can turn. It does need a name. Like, you know, like difficult run or... You're going to finish it off somewhere.
Well, Monday's the day we're going to have it hopefully dug. That soil that we're digging in, when it gets wet, it's like concrete. I've never seen anything like it.
You know, there was an article recently about the types of...
here and there, but I think it's going to be something that always requires some...
We're fishermen right out here.
And there's the engineer.
I think the fishing's going to be good right there. I really do. Because it's going to be waterfall. Actually, it's amazing. A lot.
I think we used to have a good engine name down here.
Probably. They have really transformed this yard. Bottle bush. These walls she's built.
Oh, I brought you something, Marce.
Oh, did you?
Probably going to break.
Okay. I had no idea what you were.
No, I wish, but no.
No, not them. I'm talking about it gives them a torn.
Getting ready for the crab feast.
Hello, Mike. All right.
Where did I lose my... You lost your drink?
Bag.
Lady. Bag. Lady.
The most important thing of all.
Yes.
If you can't have one of the bags, we need that. Are they all of these? I see you're in line, huh? You guys find yourselves a place to be.
I'm right here.
Oh, let me so what are we doing,
Here
girl?
comes the birthday girl.
Hey, we're starting. We're just starting.
This is too wonderful.
And you know, you can take these.
around.
No, we do.
I know, Chick. We do.
Where are the paper towels? Coming.
Come on. What else do you want?
It's over on the side. Yes. Thank you.
Crab, you gotta work too hard to sit on a bag.
A lobster, I'll spend some time
That's
with.
right.
But
Oh yeah, happy birthday.
Birthday hour. Sitting out there.
Where's the sauce for this? For these potatoes?
What sauce?